All right, you guys. So instead of doing the board, we're just going to go ahead and put it on here. And how we're going to do that is just simple. And the reason why we're going to put it on this board is to let people know that we can do card decals. Okay. So what I like to do is I'd like to go ahead and put half of the emblem on here and half of the emblem not on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this set, that corner there, and I'll go ahead and start here, just like so. So then I can put it down. And now what I can do is on here is I can flip this off, come on the other side of it, and put it down like that. Alright, so now what we can do is we can go ahead and take this off. And this will let everyone know exactly kind of what we can do for your back of your car. So just like this. And we'll reuse that paper. So there we go. So that's just something that we can offer, and then we can show them, hey, listen, we can do this to the back of your car. And we can do this up, and which I have one right here, so I can hurry up and slap that on a piece of paper. So let's do that now. We'll go ahead and take this all off. All right, just like so. Just like so. All right. Set my piece of, or my scissors over top, because if I didn't, it would bunch up like that. I'm going to use new transfer paper on this one, because I'm not actually taking it, I'm not going to be taking it off. If I was, I'd use the old transfer paper. But this one here, I'm going to be selling it. And so what I'm going to do now, right about there, I'll go ahead and cut it. Now what I like to do here is to see what way fits best. If it's going to fit like this or long ways, however it's going to fit. So it looks like it's going to fit long ways. So I like to take it like this, kind of put it in half, kind of think about where the best way to put it there, and just kind of let this half fold over, if you will. And we'll start from the middle and work our way out. You might have another way that you guys use. That's probably might be better than what I just showed you. Alright, so now what I like to do is go ahead and cut this, just like so. Nice and straight. Same thing here. And so now this piece is, you're able to go ahead and yank this off and go ahead and apply it to your window at your convenience, whatever window you have. Okay, so there's that. Now we have to do a shirt. I love you guys. Until next time, this is an easy craft idea. You can put these window decals right in your back window of your car. And people love these, and they go, I sell these for $5 to $7. So this one right here, I would sell for $7. Love you guys. Until next time.